Guys, can you believe I tried one of the latest new YouTube features and I got about 16,000 views, as you're seeing it on the screen right now. And as a small channel, you can do that. You can even get more than 60,000 views. I am going to show you exactly what I did. I'm going to show you the latest new YouTube 2026 features I used to try this. Now, if you go to my channel, you can notice that this particular video is about 16,000 views and is one of my popular video on this channel. This video was the breakout on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step, show you the latest new YouTube features I used to get this 16,000 views. Like there are about 3, but I'm going to show you the whole of the 3. I'm going to show you what these particular features are versus how it works. So stay with me to the very end of this video. If you're a small channel and you want to get 16,000 views, stick to the very end of this video, because this particular setting, guys, nobody has ever talked about it on this YouTube channel and I'm surprised. So I don't want to make this video to be too long, so ignore my background. I'm at work, so I decided to make this video like as it dey hot, as it dey vibrate. I can't even wait for the excitement to last long, so that is why I'm making this video. Let's dive straight into our video. Now, when you look at this my video, you can see that this video is one of my most popular video on my channel. Yes, and this video is about monetization. Okay guys, now when you look at this video performance, you can see that this video is ranking 1 of 10, 16,000 views, impression 3.4. Yes, at the time this particular video was trending, it was more than 3.4 impression, and the average view duration is 2.44. See the watch hours this video accumulated at the time I was making this video, and this is the amazing subscribers. Wow, this is so amazing and enticing. 479 subscribers of people who subscribe to my channel. And according to YouTube, the key moment for my audience, like how my audience was retained on this video, 65% viewers are still watching at around 0.30 mark. So in the 30 seconds of your video, make sure you retain your audience. Okay, this is the traffic of this particular video. The real time has reduced. This video has gotten to people of 372. YouTube have showed this video to 372.1k impressions. And yes, this is how viewers were able to find this video through browse features, which is the highest, suggested video, which is the second to highest, other YouTube features, and now this is the external site. Yes, where people were sharing this video and it was going viral. People share it through whatsapp.com, YouTube creator, Telegram, Gmail, Google search, blah blah blah, so many of them. This is what people were able to search to see this particular amazing video of mine. YouTube search term. So that is why I'm saying make sure that any video you are making, make sure that the keywords are searchable. Keywords are what people are always searching. So these are what people were able to search on the YouTube auto suggest bar, and they got this particular video. This is the content suggesting this video. Yeah, these are the content that was suggesting this particular video. My video were placed at the end of their video, so any of their audience that watches their video, then the next one that will play is my own content. So can you see the number of creators this particular video was attached to their videos? So can you see even the popular creators on YouTube growth niche, both than the creator and so many of them. So I know you cannot wait to see these amazing features. The very first thing I did was putting too many languages on this video. Now once you click on this video, you can see amazing and different varieties of languages. You can see Arabic, you can see Bangia, you can see Dutch, you can see Germany, you can see Hebrew, Hindi, Indonesia, Japanese, Korea, Polish, Malaysia, Russia, and so many of them. Now this was how people were able to find my video in different languages. Like my video is recorded in English, in English, which you people know. Once any of this country watches my video, they will be hearing it, they will be seeing the subtitle in their own language. Take for example now, if I'm a Japanese and I'm watching my video, it will be translated into Japanese languages, and this is how I was able to get this video pushed. Now if you are a YouTuber and you don't add languages to your videos, you are losing out, like you are missing out on what can actually make your video to go viral. Now you can see that all these languages are published to tell you that it was published, it was saved to that video, which made it to go viral, and I was able to get 16,000 views and even more than, because at the time I was making this video I was still getting views. So that was the first setting. Make sure that you are adding languages. Any of your video that you have not had any language, start going now to re-edit them. Make sure that you add different languages of your choice depending on the ones you want to add, and publish them to the video. Now once you finish, let's just say I want to add a language, or I'll just click on this end subtitle, and now these are the languages, these are the English version of this particular video. Okay, so that is it. If you want to, if you are done selecting any particular language, just click on publish. It will publish. Take for example, these subtitles are in Indonesia, it will be written in Indonesian, and you click publish. Second setting is I toggle on my allow embedding of this particular video. This embedding means that your video will be shared to other external sites, like you are allowing the video to be shared to other external sites. Now if you can remember, I showed you from my YouTube analytics, I showed you how this video, like where external sites that you can see that those my video through Google search and all of that. So that was because I toggled this particular setting on. This particular setting you are seeing right here, allow embedding. Make sure that every of your videos you are toggling this particular setting on. If it's like this, that means it is off, but once you click on the empty box, it will be toggled on, and once you toggle on, you will see where the right save. You click on that particular save. Now the last feature I did was amazing, adding this particular video into category. You know, before I've been adding my video into education, but I decided to do something different when I was uploading this video that got me 16,000 views and so many subscribers, and even changed the way I see my channel. That was because I clicked on how to style. It was after this video virality I came to understand that this particular category is the right category of my niche. Yes, if you are into YouTube growth, this is the particular category your channel should be. If you are under education or entertainment, you click on entertainment. If you're under people's and vlogs, maybe you don't have, your content is just randomly, like your content is about other things that has no category, you click on people's and vlog. If your channel is about travel, sports, vlogging, if it is about vlogging, you can put it under people's and blogs, or under how to and styles. So that was because I added the right category on this particular video that made it to go viral. So if your own is not under how to and style, that is for people under YouTube growth niche, then go right now and change it to how to and style. Okay, so these are the three amazing features I added on this particular video that changed everything on this small channel of mine. So if you have not toggled any three of this setting, go right now and do it and see amazing result, then come back and thank me later. If you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which type of these features you have used or you are about to use, and I'm going to read all the comment section and reply to you. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.